Most smartphones today look sleek, but the truth is they are fragile. One drop, one splash, and you are stuck with a broken device. That is why rugged phones in 2025 are getting serious attention. These unbreakable waterproof powerhouses are not just built to survive, they are designed to perform, with batteries that last for days, cameras that can see in complete darkness, and displays bright enough to cut through the harshest sunlight. In this video, we are showcasing the best rugged phones of 2025, each one pushed to its limits with real-world drop tests, waterproofing, and endurance challenges. Stay with me until the end, because one of these models has a feature that could make it the toughest and most advanced rugged phone of the year. You will find all the product links with updated prices and full details waiting in the description. DOOGEE V Max Play. DOOGEE V Max Play is one of the most advanced rugged smartphones of 2025, designed to push the limits of durability, performance, and innovation, all at $700. The highlight here is the built-in 100-lumen projector with autofocus and keystone correction. It lets you project movies, presentations, or even mobile games onto a big screen at 854 by 480 resolution with a 60 Hz refresh rate. Paired with a controller, this turns into a portable entertainment and gaming hub that you can take anywhere. Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 GHz 5G chipset built on a 4nm process, paired with 36 GB of RAM, 16 GB physical plus 20 GB extended, and 512 GB of storage expandable up to 2 TB with a microSD card. This combination delivers seamless multitasking, smooth gaming, and lag-free operation for even the heaviest workloads. Power is where the V Max Play sets new records. It carries a massive 20,500 mAh battery that delivers up to 165 hours of calls, 370 hours of music playback, or 47 hours of continuous video. It supports 45-watt fast charging to get you back to full quickly, and 10-watt reverse charging, so you can use it as a power bank for other devices. On the back, you get a flagship-level camera system with a 200-megapixel main sensor enhanced by electronic image stabilization, a 20-megapixel night vision lens for low-light shooting, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and macro sensor for close-ups. On the front, a 32-megapixel camera handles selfies and video calls with clarity. The display is a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus flexible AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 500 nits brightness, giving you smooth motion, sharp visuals, and solid outdoor readability. For rugged protection, the V Max Play is certified IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, making it waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant for harsh conditions. A 1200-lumen camping light is built in for outdoor visibility, along with a 1216Q Super linear speaker for powerful audio. Extra features include dual SIM 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, 2 NFC for payments, Face Unlock, fingerprint authentication, and navigation across GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. Tank 4 Pro. Tank 4 Pro is one of the most advanced rugged smartphones of 2025, combining unbreakable durability with flagship-level innovation, and while its $770 price tag is high, the features fully justify it for anyone needing the ultimate rugged device. Unique to this phone is the built-in 720 pixels DLP projector with 100 lumens brightness, autofocus, and keystone correction. It lets you project movies, documents, or even engineering plans on any surface, turning your rugged phone into a portable cinema or presentation tool you can carry anywhere. It comes equipped with 36 GB of RAM, split between 18 GB physical and 18 GB virtual, along with a massive 1 TB of storage that can be expanded up to 2 TB with a TF card. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 83005G chipset, it runs on Android 14 with dual-core acceleration, supporting global 5G networks and delivering smooth gaming, multitasking, and heavy workloads without compromise. Certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, it provides full protection against water, dust, drops, and extreme environments. The 6.73-inch AMOLED display is flagship level, running at 1440 by 3200 resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate. With up to 1800 nits brightness, it remains perfectly visible in direct sunlight. and the sharp detail makes it ideal for gaming, movies, or fieldwork. The 11,600 mAh battery supports 120-watt fast charging, getting you back to full quickly, while reverse charging allows the phone to double as a power bank for other devices via OTG. On the back, the camera system includes a 50-megapixel main lens, a 64-megapixel night vision sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera for long-range shots, while the 32-megapixel front camera handles selfies and video calls with clarity. For outdoor use, the Tank 4 Pro integrates a 1,200-lumen camping light along with warning lights for emergencies, giving you reliable illumination and safety features built directly into the device. Carrier support is limited to T-Mobile and Verizon, so buyers should check compatibility before switching. Blackview BL7000. The Blackview BL7000 is one of the smartest rugged phones of 2025, blending next-level toughness with cutting-edge artificial intelligence features, all for just $300. It runs on Android 15 with DOOGEE 4.1, giving you enhanced privacy controls, private space, sensitive notification protection, and smooth customization. But what really makes this phone stand out is the world's first integration of 3 advanced artificial intelligence models: DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and Gemini. With the new DOOGEE suite, you can edit images, create music, clean up photos, remove photobombers, and even animate still images right from your phone. Under the hood, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, built on the 6nm process with an octa-core design. Paired with up to 24GB of RAM, including 16GB extended and 256GB of storage expandable to 2TB, it delivers reliable 5G connectivity, smooth gaming, and effortless multitasking. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main camera, a 20-megapixel infrared night vision sensor, and a 32-megapixel front camera for clear selfies and video calls. With night vision, you can capture wildlife in the dark, record security footage, or take photos in conditions that shut down normal smartphones. Up front, the 6.78-inch 2.4K Full HD Plus IPS display runs at 2460 by 1080 resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate and adaptive refresh control. It adjusts automatically to save power while keeping everything smooth, whether you are gaming, streaming, or multitasking. With Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and outdoor visibility, it is built to perform everywhere. Battery life is powered by a 7,500 mAh cell with 33-watt fast charging, giving you up to 12 hours of gaming or video playback on a single charge. And thanks to OTG reverse charging, it doubles as a power bank for earbuds, smartwatches, cameras, or other smartphones. For ruggedness, the BL7000 is fully certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H durability. It resists dust, dirt, and drops, handles submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and withstands tough environments from job sites to wilderness adventures. Add in glove mode, a built-in toolkit, and precise GPS navigation, and it is ready for serious field use. Finally, it supports dual SIM 5G, NFC for contactless payments, Bluetooth 5.2, Face Unlock, and Fingerprint Unlock for secure, flexible connectivity. Oukitel WP56. The Oukitel WP56 is a rugged 5G powerhouse built for people who demand extreme endurance and modern performance. And at $440, it is one of the most feature-packed rugged smartphones of 2025. Let's start with what makes this phone insane. The massive 16,000 mAh battery. That is over double what you get in most flagships. On a single charge, you are looking at up to 2,070 hours of standby, 117 hours of calling, 28 hours of video, or 21 hours of gaming. And when it is time to recharge, the 45-watt fast charging gets you back to full in about 4 hours. On top of that, you can use the OTG reverse charging feature to power smaller devices like smartwatches, earbuds, or even another smartphone. Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7055G processor paired with 36GB of RAM, including 12GB physical plus 24GB extended, and 512GB of storage expandable up to 2TB with a microSD card. Running on Android 15, this phone is smooth, responsive, and secure, making it just as capable for gaming and multitasking as it is for fieldwork. The 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display runs at 120 Hz, giving you fluid scrolling and smooth high frame rate gaming. It is bright, colorful, and built for outdoor readability. But Oukitel went even further. They built in a 128 decibel loudspeaker, so whether you are taking calls on a construction site, listening to podcasts on the trail, or blasting music in camp, you will always hear it loud and clear. For outdoor survival, it includes a 1000 lumen camping light that easily doubles as a flashlight or emergency beacon. Pair that with its 108 megapixel triple rear camera system and 32 megapixel selfie camera, and you can capture detailed photos day or night, even during night hikes or around the campfire. WP56 is fully certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H. It withstands drops from 1.5 meters, survives water immersion, shrugs off dust, and keeps running in extreme temperatures from -45 to 75 degrees Celsius. For connectivity, you get dual SIM 5G, NFC for payments, side fingerprint unlock, and full navigation support with GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. Thanks for watching until the end. These were the toughest phones of 2025, tested and proven to take punishment while delivering flagship-level performance. Whether you are working on job sites, exploring the outdoors, or just tired of fragile glass phones, one of these models could be the perfect fit for you. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. I read every reply. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big drop. All the updated deals and product links are waiting in the description. Until next time, stay rugged and stay connected.